Let's go back to when you were saying the tax code they're for business owners.
Yes.
Can you elaborate a little bit more on that?
Yeah, so here's how I explain to people about the tax code, right? The government wants to be your partner, or they're going to be your partner.
Yeah.
So what I'm trying to say is either you're going to contribute to things that they want you to do. They make the code for business owners to create housing, to create jobs, to create incentives for like energy, solar energy. People doing these electric cars now. There are credits for people to start electric car businesses. The apps and the technology, research and development. If you're building an app and you're creating an app, you have different credits for those things. So if you want to do that, they're going to be partnered with you and they're going to pay the bill. Or they're going to be partnered with you and they're going to take their cut. Right? So meaning if you just working a job and you making a W-2 before you get paid, your partner want his cut first.
Right.
You know? So they're going to be your partners or they're going to be your partners, right? And so you just got to figure out which way you want to go, right? You want to take advantage of it, let them, fit the bill in form of deductions and credits, or you're going to fit the bill by having this bill come at the end of the year and you got to pay them. Right? And so, once you shift from that perspective, and we all know the cash flow quadrant, that's one of the things that we go back to.
Yeah.
You got the E in the S or the B and the I.
Right.
You want to be on the left hand or the right hand side of the quadrant. And so, the more you get to the business and the individuals, that's the better the tax code is for you.